I still love you.
Okay.
I'm only scared because you doing it.
What you mean? Do you want Josh to do it?
Hell no.
All right. All right, guys. Welcome. Hey. Say hey.
Hey,
This Sandy. This my sister.
I'm pretty sure that no.
Some of them, though. Some of them don't. Depends on the analytics, bitch. Period. Because if you from Insta, you already know who this is. If you're not, follow me on Instagram. I put her Instagram and all that other good shit. Also, my cousin on the phone. So if you hear 3 voices, me, Sandy,
You're
Naya.
possessed. No, I'm just,
Naya, say
I'm
hey.
just kidding.
Say hey, Naya. You drinking my water.
Oh, I thought
It's
this
okay.
was mine.
I just need a sip, though. My throat dry. I'm a little nervous.
You nervous, but you pissing me.
You really about to, bro.
Yeah, like you can still see it, bro.
It was really easy. Like, I'm just scared because my hand's so small. These things so big. All right. What one you gonna use? Oh, I should have, my dumb ass. Alcohol first, and then
Put alcohol on it.
yeah, and I do. It's okay. I ain't no professional. Some girls be doing this shit
They be doing it themselves.
like how the fuck? Well,
I want somebody with like a regular sewing needle pierce her nose, bro.
Oh yeah, no, I can't do
That shit look like.
All right, sit your ass down.
Damn.
Who you got it from?
I bought it from Walmart.
She bought it from Walmart. It looked like this. If she sent me the link, I'll put the link down below. It looked like this. Come with the needles, the clamp, the gloves,
You ready to watch now?
and these right here
Can you see me?
are nose piercings. It's 3 right here. But she. Okay, sorry y'all. My head's gonna be all in the way. Y'all actually can't see it, but I had to make sure I was doing it right. So enjoy the audio, I guess. Open
I'm
it.
coming. Sheesh.
I need to make sure. Oh, there it is. That you can put it in there.
Josh, in case shit go wrong.
Playing his game.
Josh. He perfect.
He coming.
Why do we need Josh?
I don't know. You about to film that? Watch.
That's not safer at home, but
No, I like. See, look, like you can still see the
oh, you
holding on
already
it.
had a home.
Mhm.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Remember, just like my
It don't
first time,
fit.
Jay?
Okay.
I'm only scared because you doing it.
What you mean? Do you want Josh to do it?
Hell no.
All right.
Ah,
Sorry. That hurt.
it's good right there.
Come in the light.
You know what, Shania? If you gonna be over there with that maniacal laugh, damn.
Sorry. Oh, I see the hole perfectly. I really want to take these gloves off. Because I don't feel like it's gonna.
Take it off. Then.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna take it off. Hold your clamp. I'll wash my hands. Oh shit, bitch. Can I see?
Oh shit.
Okay.
I'm so scared.
You scared? You know?
Yeah.
Okay. Breathe in. Wait, is this even? Ooh, why does it look like that?
Because it's sharp.
They all look like that. I don't like the way that look. Look at that.
Oh fuck.
Okay, come here. We done here now. Oh hell. Breathe in. Ooh, ooh, ooh. God damn. Did you bleed this much the first time?
No.
Why is this? I'm scared. Okay, so one thing they did not mention in YouTube videos, make sure you slant the shit. Don't just stick it.
Back.
Be there, bitch! Hey! Come on, you took that shit like a G? You took that shit like a G? Come on! Period.
Yes, bitch.
Period. We did that. Oh, fuck. Yeah, do. It's still in there. Okay. Hopefully it don't come out. This does not feel secure at all. I think once you go L shape, you don't.
You never want to go back.
You don't. All right. How you feel?
I feel like a tatted mommy, piercing mommy right now. This is how I feel. This is
You did really like good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Y'all, she's usually not the one for pain. Like usually she's like
Like, wait, no.
yeah, but she actually, you can tell when she actually wants something done.
Because I'm going to sit
Excuse
there
my
and wait.
skin. But yeah, you did real good. I'm proud of you. Much blood. Can y'all see?
That's a lot of blood.
Yeah, for a nose. That's I'm like, mine did not bleed like that.
But we was reopening that
Yeah, that's
motherfucker
true.
too.
And your lip got nipped.
Mhm.
That shit sharp
It really
as
is.
hell.
I was like, when you put it in my lip, I felt it. I was like, oh no, we got to move this.
Yeah. You gotta, y'all curve it like a tampon. So you, I'm back. Check out my nose piercing. It was so much blood. Y'all come to me for piercings. You feel me? Bitch do one piercing, think
Damn,
she a pierce lord.
Right.
Vanessa Lorraine, Pierce Lord. Come with me, shop with me. You already know what to do. Hit the link in the bio.
Bruh.
Period.
Bruh.
She got her nose pierced. Got her nose pierced. She got her nose pierced. Got her nose pierced. It's a hole in the nose. Hole in the nose. It's a hole in the nose. Hole in the nose. It's a hole in the nose. Hole in the nose. It's a hole in the nose. Hole in the nose. She pierced up, mommy. Pierced up, mommy. Tatted up, mommy. Tatted up, mommy. She pierced up, mommy. Pierced up, mommy. Pierced up, mommy. Pierced up, mommy. She got a hole in her nose. She got a hole in her nose. She got a hole in her nose. Hole in her nose. Hole in her nose. All right, so that's the end of this video. Bye, you guys. Say bye, Sandy.
Bye.
You gotta come in the camera. Bye. Say bye, Naya.
Bye.
All right, bye, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You like this video because we funny as fuck. Also, comment down below and follow me on my other social medias. Adios. Oh, shit, bitch. Oh, I gotta redo that. That's
When you embarrass yourself in the video.